Rise and shine. Hi, neighbors. Hi, neighbors. Take a little walk on the beach. Wake up every day with some views I can use. Or shall I say we can use. Boom. Yeah, you all good? Hold me up. Hold me up. Home, home. Yeah, yeah. DJ Big Dog. Appreciate you, Cap.
Yeah, no worries.
There go my man. There go my man. We welcome to where we at, Big J? Where we at?
Houston.
H-Time. Huh? We private jet riding. I see you, cuz. What's up, dude?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Type of time we on, John. You got to see what that say. The global, anything global. You did it. Anything global. Now we pull up. Now we pull up. Oh. That's good, brothers. Juice. They got the free, got the turmeric, fresh juices. Getting Stunner Valley.
I'm getting whatever you getting, bro.
Give me two of them then.
You dig what I'm saying? We want some of that shit. My bloodline gonna post you.
We got you.
Appreciate you, fam. This is all natural, no added flavor, no added sugar, none of that, brother.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see where he at. Hydrated.
Nephew, I need them pants.
All right.
I want a pair of them pants, man.
I got you.
That's some Chicago shit, right?
And I don't give a fuck. I'm hopeless. I'm in a thug life, baby.
2025 Capone and Stunner Valley. You see? Stunner Valley.
Dig what I'm saying? That type of time.
Yeah.
What you saw with the rough rugged and